Hello again. Today we're going to talk about collecting like terms. Okay, so what do we have here? We have this expression and we need to simplify it. Now, if you see properly here, you have different terms. Okay, they are in different colors and also constants. Now, how can we rearrange this expression? Let me explain clearly on another chart. So imagine you have 9n plus 4. I'm writing the same expression, okay, as in the previous page. Minus 3n plus 1. Now we need first to rearrange this expression, okay? So why are we doing this? So that we're going to collect the like terms. I like to say it's like collecting same families, okay? So let me highlight the two families I see, the two different terms I see here. I am seeing 9n and minus 3n. They should belong together. And here you have plus 4 and plus 1. So if you can see with two different colors, 9 and minus 3 and should belong together, plus 4 plus 1, they belong together as well. So we are going to rearrange our expression. We're not going to change it. However, we're just going to reorder the terms here. So I have 9n minus 3n. And then I have plus 4 plus 1. Okay, so what did I do here? I have just collected the like terms together. Okay, so I brought these two together and these two together. Okay, I didn't change my expression, however, I reordered my terms. Now, the last step is that we need to simplify. So if I have 9n minus 3n, okay, that gives us 6n plus 4 plus 1, okay, gives us plus 5. And there you should have your final simplified answer. Okay, so when you need to collect like terms, you bring the same terms next to each other and then you just simplify your expression. Okay, so let me do another example for you. So I'm going to do this, okay? He's telling us change the order of the terms, then simplify these expressions. I'm going to do this first for you. Okay, so we have 6a plus 10 plus 2a plus 7. Okay, so the first step is that we can highlight the same terms and bring them together. So we have 6a and positive 2a, they belong together. Positive 10, positive 7, they belong together. So let's regroup, let's collect the like terms. So we have 6a plus 2a plus 10 plus 7. Okay, so if you see here, I have regrouped the like terms, explaining a's and the values, the constants together. Okay, and now we need to simplify. So 6a plus 2a gives us 8a. Positive 10, positive 7 gives us positive 17. And there you have your final answer. Okay, so let's do another one here. I'm going to do this, okay? It involves x and some constants. Okay, so we have 12 plus 5x. Another note you should have known that in algebra we write x, the letter x, like this, so that you don't confuse it with the multiplication symbol times. Okay, that's why we write x in a curly sort of in a curly way. Okay, so 12 plus 5x plus 4 minus 3x. Okay, so first step, we highlight the same terms. So we have 12 belonging with plus 4 plus 5x and minus 3x. Okay, so let's collect the same terms. 12 plus 4, okay, plus 5x minus 3x. Okay, so if you can see here properly, 12 plus 4, they are now together, plus 5x minus 3x, they have been collected as well. Okay, so 12 plus 4 gives us 16. Positive 5x subtracting 3x gives us positive 2x. Okay, and then you should have your final answer. Side note for this, okay, if you write this answer or you write this answer, they are both considered correct because in any way or the order of the terms are put, they should mean the same thing, okay? Because here we have a positive 16 added to 2x, okay? So this answer and this answer, they are both correct, okay? Let me work out this and then the last one. So we have 7n minus 1 minus 2 plus 4n. Okay, so we need to collect the like terms and then we simplify again. So we have 7n plus 4n minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, so values, constants are together, family of n should be together. Okay, so let's regroup them, let's collect like terms. So 7n plus 4n minus 1 minus 2. Right? So here you should see I have grouped two groups. Okay? Final answer, we should simplify. 7n plus 4n gives us 11n, and negative 1 minus 2 gives us minus 3. Okay, let me remind you, negative numbers, you start at position minus 1, you go down, because you have subtraction, another 2 floors, 1, 2. Okay, imagine you are in a lift, you start at minus 1, and you have to go down 2 floors. Where do you end up at? You end up at minus 3. And there you have your final answer. Okay, last one for today. Okay, so you have B plus 4 minus 3 plus B. So let me remind you that in algebra we don't write the number 1, okay? However, here you should know that there is an invisible one so that it will help you out when you add your terms. So B belonging to plus 1B plus 4 belonging with minus 3. Okay, let's collect the terms. So I have 1B plus 1B, then you have plus 4 minus 3. Okay, so here you have 1B plus 1B together plus 4 minus 3. Final answer, you simplify. So 1B plus 1B gives us 2B, and plus 4 minus 3 gives us plus 1. And there you have your final answer. Okay, let me do a last one. because I need to point out something. So, um, okay, so you have 2y plus 9 minus 2y plus 6. Okay, so here you have 2y belonging with minus y, 2y, sorry, plus 9 belonging with plus 6. We collect the like terms, so 2y minus 2y plus 9 plus 6. Okay, so here you have 2y minus 2y plus 9 plus 6. And then we should simplify our expression. So 2y, deducting 2y gives us 0. Y plus 9 plus 6 gives us plus 15. So there you have your final answer. Another way of writing this, that's why I had done this, is that you can write down only 15 because 0y gives us a value of 0. Okay, it doesn't count, so you end up with 15. Okay, I hope you have understood like terms. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you again in the next videos.